We're back on location, guys. Today we're walking flip houses. This is a new house that we've just acquired. We just started on. I haven't been inside yet since we bought it a couple months ago. It's been in the queue. Time to start renovating on it. We're gonna go take a look and see what the boys have started today. Let's go take a look. I don't even know what to think outside, right? Let's walk around outside first.
Sure.
So we got two front doors. You're always winning when you got two front doors.
I think that's the laundry room.
I don't want to go back there yet. Looks exciting back there. Looks like a mess. Let's go right in the front door and see what it looks like. This was all overgrown. This was a mess,
This was
right?
really bad, yeah.
Wonder what this bill's gonna be. I like the little, I mean, we gotta win where we can, you know? But I mean, look at this. This is just
For sure.
nightmare everywhere. We should not have bought this house. Welcome home. Come on into your new house. Check it out. Already I see sagging floors. I just see sheetrock. I see full gut. Look, it looks like the house has been rewired though. And you can see this by, most likely a house this age is a 2-wire system. But then all of a sudden I see where we've replaced outlets and we've got Romex, right? And I see some over there. Looks like the house may have been rewired. So we're gonna walk around and take a look and see what we see. Check out this kitchen. Farmhouse sink. Come on now, look at this. Zach, these are granite countertops.
You want to keep them?
Nope.
Nope.
Look at the ceiling.
Nice texture.
Holy cow. This is, it was nice one day. Eventually, one day it was nice. Look at the $4,000 double oven. Jeez. All right, let's go look at the bedrooms. So we got living room, we got kitchen, off the split floor plan here. We're gonna go left. We got a large hall bath, right? So we can totally tear that up. We've got a nice big bedroom here. Oh man. Look, that.
Oh, I see it. I see it. All new subfloor.
The whole house is shaking.
Yeah.
This is really, really not good.
Not at all.
This is, you win some, you lose some. Check out that bathroom. Oh yeah. No power? Probably not, huh?
I haven't even tested it.
I mean, I doubt it. Oh, that's right. The bedroom through a bedroom.
Well, second living room.
Well, we also have a full bathroom, a full laundry room.
Front door.
Oh no. Let's go look out back. This is bad. Is this a pool? Oh no. Oh no.
Yes.
It keeps getting worse by the minute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how much time they spent cleaning up the patio.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do we do with this? What do you think about this? I'm thinking I'm gonna tear the whole thing down and either build me a new construction Airbnb on it, or I think our best bet to do is, I mean, to be dead honest, I'd probably just try to lose 10, 20 grand on it today versus a year from now still trying to finish it. I mean, I overpaid. Sometimes you really, really screw up. I think I paid $126,000 for this house. I've had it for a couple months now, so I'm probably into it for $132,000, $133,000. It's gonna take $100K.
Oh yeah.
At least. So I'll be into it for, $230,000, $240,000. It's worth $299,000, $279,000. It's a lot of work for a couple bucks. So, what if we kept it? I think the location for an Airbnb is pretty doggone good.
I think so.
I mean, we have one a quarter mile from here that did $65,000 last year. I don't know what to do. Part of me says I bulldoze it and then stick a sign in the yard for $149 for the lot. Like graded, ready. It looks like it's bigger than a half acre. I mean, it looks like it's about a half acre.
I don't know what lots go around here. There's not a whole lot of lots available.
Nothing available.
No.
Full on mess. Let's walk around the outside, take one more look, and let's get out of here. Oh, gosh. All right, great news. PVC, the waste, all the drains are all
Okay,
PVC.
yeah. Well,
it's been
good.
replumbed and rewired. Let's go take a look at the panel. I didn't see that. Oh, man. Should we turn it on? Nah, these guys probably have it off. I'm gonna turn it on, see what we got. I don't wanna touch that thing. I mean, it looks like it's done right. I gotta talk my wife into letting me lose money, right? You ever gone home and say, hey baby, I got a plan. And if we do it today, we'll only lose 20,000. But if we wait a year and do it, we'll lose 50,000. It's up to you. So guys, if you're thinking about going home and giving your wife some bad news today, let me tell you what I gotta do. It's Friday, all right? I get to go home today and be like, hey babe, I recommend us losing 20,000 next week so we don't lose 50,000 a year from now.